Alright, let me tell you, I never really know anything. I used to just hear. So Jimmy started some evidence. You see me, him have a number when him never want to have. I mean him day. Why you never want to have on a number and here day? That is fuckery. Anyway, me get the number now, me find out the number, me see him just up like a blood clot bitch on it. Yes, you know that me and the little drunk relief. I never like him and I did really love him. I not tell no lie. But may I tell you this, now that me and him left, me I gotta take some nice cocky in my hole. I just give myself some time. Cause I just want to go run back in and so I may come out of hell, you know. I just want to go run in a relationship right now. I want to give myself some time to build back myself, I organize, get myself together. I'm not a man right now. But when ready for take fucking in my hole, then normal come one man with a nice cocky come right up in my hole. But I came around him dead wood. I have to let go now. Too much of one thing, so. Too much of dead wood, so. Every time I need to fucking up my skin out of some fat, nice, juicy pussy him can't tight. Him tell beer lie pa me from me and him left. Beer lie ma tell pa me. You know him know him gonna bring me down like him bring me down Presley. I say camera you can't bring me down and me more for blood clot bring you down. More the things I know about him. More the things I know about camera now. Things where you don't even know. Him come and look my blood clot sister husband. Oh him tacky so. I saw him love take it in a dirty rectum. Camera stink the blood clot. That's why I don't like wash him clothes. That's why I have to buy the machine. Cause every time him close them wash my room and murmur about it. Cause him stink. When me and him in the house asleep, I can't touch him pan him bed. Him have to do over the same over so him say him feel uncomfortable. If me touch him. What kind of life that? I couldn't bother with them dead no more. Me have to leave him. He's a dog. Him disappoint me. Him let me down. Him disappoint me in so many ways. Look at dirty boy. I come over here look my sister husband. I thought the boy body look big. I want to so you know me eat a boy there. Me never pick up. Me don't know what kind of sadness me ever drop in. And that mother asked me, how would this me pick up on myself? Yeah, me for real wonder. Me and him couldn't get along. Why? Because two women can't live under one roof. And him is a girl. And second of all, everywhere him go people are going to kill him. Because everywhere him go me hear the people want to kill him right now. So the only place him can go is farm to McGill. Him can't ever come put more him come over me yard. The man them want slap out him face over here and me have to still beg for him. Come over here in a wish excitement. Make the man them rest of the man them you say did that look my sister husband. Came afraid to come here no. Chelsea me afraid to come over your wish for you then call. Me know my mother say me come over there and nobody go hurt me. Cause it won't be nice. Cause my brother would do this to me and my brother would do that for me. And my brother not used to nobody hurt me and him sit down so. Cause my link large and whatever. Me sit down. The man them want kill him. Everywhere him go somebody want kill him. Him reputation bad. Him put something on Jamaica live. To him obsessed with Prezi. Put up something more at him. Fix Prezi. How can I sit in this spy? Him sick me. Feel like me eat man. Feel like I just want to stay by myself. He make me feel yucky.